Hey, this is Andrew at ThirdCoastRC here in Houston. We've got the Kaiju truck here again. We're going to do a little bit more extreme testing on it today. Start to ramp things up, literally on the ramps with this guy. We're running a 6S pack today, and we got the ramp set up over here. We're going to land on the grass, because that's just the way I like to do it. I don't want to totally, landing on cement, on concrete is going to really tear a truck up. So if you get a chance to do this extreme ramp jumping, then we're going to do it landing on grass. So we're going to go over there now. So we're going to hit this ramp pretty hard. So we hit that pretty hard there, totally messed that up. So let's take a look at the truck. That hit pretty hard on the back. Everything's good, it's all still in one piece. Let's give that another try. Let's go back over here. Some divots there on the ground. Truck is taking a bit of a pounding here. Let's take a look. Everything looks good. All good here. So what we're finding is when you hit the ramps, if you keep the power on, the nose really comes up a lot and it's hard to correct it in the air with the brake. It might almost be better to do a backflip or lift off as you hit the ramp, and then the truck flies much more level. So we'll keep going here. So just looking at the distances of the jump here, about 6, 12, 18, 24. We're getting about 30 feet of jumping on this truck right now, and I'm still not hitting it quite as hard as I could. I'm going to try and hit it a bit harder now. That must have been 35 feet almost. Ouch! The truck just nosed in. Let's measure how far it is. That's over 30 feet, getting close to 35 feet over here from the ramp. Here's the truck. We took a big hit on the front. Light's still working. Everything still seems you know, we're stressing this truck out pretty hard here today, so we'll do a few more jumps and then we'll call it a day. Let's try and get some really big ones. Let's see if we can get to this tree here. I won't go too fast. That's a big tumble right there. We're all good. We're not even tweaked. Look, straight line. The truck is still almost going in a straight line. It's just a very slight adjustment needed, but there is some camber in this parking lot towards the front. So this truck, we've shown it there, jumping off these ramps, is very durable. We haven't broken anything. I'm surprised because we took some big tumbles there. We didn't break anything. So that is a good stress test right there. What we're going to do in the next couple of days is I'm going to take them ramps, I'm going to make them more like suicide ramps. I'm going to lift them up a bit. I'm going to jump it over a car. That's what we're going to do in the next couple of days. So thanks for watching, and check us out on thirdcoastrc.com, on Facebook and on Instagram, and see you later, drivers.